Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video I made a snacks. It's called Jhalmuri. This is Bangladeshi traditional street food and this is so great, and I made it and I follow all the instruction the way the people making in the street. First things, I boiled some chickpeas. You can add some potato into it, but I did not. I already had some fried seasoning with the oil in my refrigerator and I'm going to use it today. And I will take about 1 tablespoon of this seasoning in my bowl, and I add around 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Then I add the puff rice and I mix it with mustard oil and seasoning. Please don't add all stuff together. I saw those people add the puff rice first because the oil make a top coat on that puff rice, so that when we add the cucumber or tomatoes, their juice not gonna make the puff rice soft. Also, I saw they mixing those snacks in a mug, but I don't have a mug, but I wish in the future I'll make a jar to mix those snacks. And next things, I will add all the dry seasoning. First I grind some black pepper on the top, and then I add ground coriander, a pinch of salt to taste, and mixing together. I'll recommend to add all the dry ingredients with puff rice because here is the oil, so all the dry seasoning can stick into the oil and you will get flavor about the seasoning. Finally, I'm going to add chanachur and around 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of onion slices, and here is 1 cucumber. I make it slices, and I did 4 green chili slices because I love more spices. If you don't, then skip it. And here is half mash of chickpeas. And here is the time for final mixed. I hope you got all the tricks about these snacks and enjoy my video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and also share my video with your friends and family. Thank you and bye bye.